look at the Lexus RC350 Fsport Edition at night. This car is a very, very sexy car. I really like the front end. Wheels look immaculate. 5-spoke, multi-spoke wheels. Very sharp car, guys.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm taking it. I mean, guys, I'm doing about 62 around these corners. The car holds on pretty well. The only thing I can gripe about is that the suspension could be a little bit lower so it can handle those corners even better. Really love the ride quality, guys. It's a Lexus. We can talk about the comfortability all day. It really is a comfortable sport luxury car to drive. Really like the sport display, guys. It looks really cool. I like that red line on there. It lets you know that you are in sport mode.